Hi, could you help me find my seat? Hi, could you help me find my seat? Hi, could you help me find my seat?
Sure thing. What's your seat number?
It's 23E. It's 23E. It's 23E.
It's gonna be the middle seat right here in this row. Oh, I can help with the luggage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Captain Earth and the entire crew, welcome aboard Earth English Flight 104, bound for Los Angeles. It is a pleasure to have you with us. Our flight time to Los Angeles will be 11 hours and 10 minutes after takeoff. Also, 구독과 좋아요 부탁드려요.
Excuse me, please tuck your backpack under the front seat. Also, could you please put up the tray table? Thanks.
Can you give me a blanket? Can you give me a blanket? Can you give me a blanket? I'd like a pair of slippers too. I'd like a pair of slippers too. I'd like a pair of slippers too.
Of course, I'll bring them right out.
When is the meal going to be served? When is the meal going to be served? When is the meal going to be served?
Dinner will be served within the next hour. Hello, what would you like for dinner? We have beef, chicken, and vegetarian options.
I'm not feeling well. I'll pass. I'm not feeling well. I'll pass. I'm not feeling well. I'll pass. What comes with the beef? What comes with the beef? What comes with the beef?
It comes with steamed vegetables and mashed potato.
I'll take that one. I'll take that one. I'll take that one.
Of course, please enjoy.
I'm actually missing the utensils. Can you give me one? I'm actually missing the utensils. Can you give me one? I'm actually missing the utensils. Can you give me one?
I'm so sorry about that. Here you go. Would you like something to drink? We have soft drinks, juice, coffee, and tea.
No thank you, I'll just take some water. No thank you, I'll just take some water. No thank you, I'll just take some water. What kind of soda do you have? What kind of soda do you have? What kind of soda do you have?
We have Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, and Diet Coke.
I'll take Diet Coke. I'll take Diet Coke. I'll take Diet Coke. Can I have another cup of Diet Coke? Can I have another cup of Diet Coke? Can I have another cup of Diet Coke? Can I have some more ice, please? Can I have some more ice, please? Can I have some more ice, please? I'd like to purchase a duty-free item. I'd like to purchase a duty-free item. I'd like to purchase a duty-free item.
Sure, which item would you like to purchase?
I want this perfume. I want this perfume. I want this perfume.
Will you be paying in cash or a credit card?
I'll pay with a credit card. I'll pay with a credit card. I'll pay with a credit card.
Will you be paying in Korean won or US dollars?
I'll pay in Korean won. I'll pay in Korean won. I'll pay in Korean won.
Thank you. Just one moment, please. Here's your card and receipt. And here's the item you've purchased. Thank you so much. Just a reminder to have your customs form filled out upon arrival.
Can I have one more sheet, please? Can I have one more sheet, please? Can I have one more sheet, please? I also need a pen. I also need a pen. I also need a pen. Can I use a restroom right now? Can I use a restroom right now? Can I use a restroom right now?
Yes, but please get back to your seat as soon as possible as we're about to prepare for landing.
Got it, thank you. Got it, thank you. Got it, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. For your safety, please remain seated until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Before leaving the aircraft, please check to make sure that you have not left any items behind. Thank you for studying with Earth English and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.